So when clearing out condensate drains, you kind of have three options for how to clear them. You can use a hose, spray in the P-trap at different openings like this, or shop vac to suck it out, or you can use nitrogen and blow it out. Or excuse me, compressed nitrogen to blow it out. So usually you're going to have your clogs right here at the P-trap. So in this case, we got several different openings where we can take off caps and whatnot and get water in there. I think water's the best way to clean out condensate drains because it really scrubs the walls and gets all the stuff out of there. I think better than any other method. But shop vac is usually most practical. So if I'm on a service call, that's my go-to. If I'm doing a PM, I already have a hose up there cleaning condenser coils or evaporator coils, like in this case. Really, I'm just going to use the hose, which I think is the best way to really get all the stuff out of there anyway. But when you're going through clearing the condensate drain, you want to get in as many different openings as possible, like what we did here. We opened up all the caps that we could and just ran water through there for about 10 seconds or so on each opening. So finish it off by putting a little pan tablet in there. Normally I wouldn't do that, but this is on a PM and I had that in my bucket, so I went and just threw it in there to make sure we didn't have anything block up after we're done cleaning these evaporators.